Aesthetic Associates Center, a family-owned, full-service cosmetic and dental facility offering world-class healthcare services to Western New York patients for decades. Dr. Todd Shatkin and Dr. Samuel Shatkin Jr. provide solutions to your dental and cosmetic needs with award-winning, nationally recognized expertise. Dr. Todd Shatkin is a leading expert in mini dental implant technology, training thousands of dentists in his patented procedure. Dr. Sam Shatkin Jr. is an award-winning plastic surgeon operating a one-of-a-kind facility specializing in both surgical and non-surgical rejuvenation and restoration. Doctors Todd and Sam Shatkin, the Aesthetic Associates Center. Award-winning skill, world-class reputation, wonderful results. But don't just take our word for it. Hear it from our patients.
Sometimes it can be a little intimidating to have a cosmetic procedure done, especially when you're not sure what to expect. And I'll admit I was a little bit nervous going into any procedure that I've had done, and nervous for no reason. Everything was quick and painless, and it's amazing that you can walk in and walk out looking that much better. You almost don't believe it until you have it done. Being a patient at the Aesthetic Associates Center for over 10 years has been a rewarding and gratifying experience for me. I've recommended the Aesthetic Associates Center to many of my friends and my family, and everybody has had such an incredible experience.
My main concern is providing the patient with satisfaction. In other words, when they come to me and I try to find out what they're here for, I want to address their concerns. And I want them to leave our office happy. I want them to be satisfied with the work they had done. Well, I'm a cosmetic dentist, and we provide all types of general and cosmetic dental services, including porcelain veneers, bleaching, whitening of the teeth, bonding, and of course, mini dental implants and all phases of dental implantology. We pride ourselves on being there for our patients. From the moment they walk in the door to the procedure itself, and then to the moment they leave, and continuing on for follow-up care afterwards. We want to provide the best possible service to our patients. One of the biggest things we deal with as dentists is the patient's fear of going to the dentist, and one of the biggest fear are the fear of needles. And we've overcome that by using this type of a very gentle anesthetic system, the wand system. The other way that we overcome this is by utilizing sedation dentistry. We have our in-house board-certified anesthesiologist who provides sedation dentistry for our patients through IV. So the patient can come in and be completely relaxed and comfortable throughout the whole procedure.
I'm Dr. Rose Birkin. I'm a board-certified anesthesiologist. I've been working with both Dr. Todd and Dr. Sam Shatkin for over 10 years. In any office-based procedure, safety is the primary concern. And you have to have a board-certified anesthesiologist taking care of the patient while the surgeon or the dentist is performing a procedure. It's vital to keep track of how the patient is doing, all the vital signs, and make sure that there are no untoward events. The IV sedation in the office-based setting provides comfort for the patient. They come in, they're relaxed, they tolerate procedure very well, and again, safety is our #1 priority. Everything is done in a safe environment, and they're comfortable and happy.
Dr. Todd Shatkin of the Aesthetic Associates Center, the most trusted name in cosmetic dentistry in Western New York. A nationally recognized expert in mini dental implant technology, Dr. Todd Shatkin has trained over 9,000 dentists from around the world in his patented mini dental implant procedure. Dr. Todd Shatkin has personally installed over 10,000 mini dental implants, serving Western New York area patients with not only state-of-the-art facilities, but the highest quality of customer service.
I developed the mini dental implant procedure for crowns back in 2002. I have a patent on that procedure, and I've trained over 9,000 dentists around the world. I personally have placed over 11,000 mini dental implants with over 95% success rate over the past 12 years. They're very successful, they're affordable, and they're quick and easy for the patient to have done. In fact, most of the procedures are performed in 1 or 2 visits in less than an hour or 2. While the procedure is extremely successful, we've restored well over 200,000 restorations at this point with Shatkin First techniques and procedures. We have dentists ranging from Asia to South America to the United States and England and Europe. And I've trained dentists all over the globe on this procedure. I'm very proud of it because it changes patients' lives in almost every country in the world. Have been exposed to my procedures either through online webinars, through the magazines such as Dental Town or Compendium magazines, and then of course I travel around the globe teaching these dentists how to do these procedures. When you can change a patient's life by putting mini dental implants in and stabilizing their loose dentures, giving them the ability to bite into an apple for the first time in years, that's a dramatic change in their life on a day-to-day basis. And I'm very proud of the fact that we're changing patients' lives every day.
Dr. Samuel Shatkin of the Aesthetic Associates Center, offering unsurpassed plastic surgery and skincare services. Twice noted by the Consumer Research Council as a Top Surgeons in America award recipient, Dr. Sam Shatkin heads up the Surgery Center, rated as one of the top ambulatory surgery centers in Western New York. Dr. Sam Shatkin's one-of-a-kind facility is equipped to handle both surgical and non-surgical procedures, offering rejuvenation without lengthy recovery periods.
I had the benefit of receiving several awards in my career. I've been in practice for almost 25 years. And to some extent they're important, mostly for the patients to recognize that these awards suggest that I've accomplished certain things. But I don't really like to dwell on the awards. I just think that these things come by good patient care and good service to my patients. And when they recognize that I care about them, I think that's the reward that I'm looking for. When a patient comes to the office and I consider what their interests are, my first and foremost is to try to figure out what bothers them and what I can do to help them. We have a lot of different tools in our armamentarium to try to help them, whether it be for beautification or reconstruction. We need to figure out what it is they want and then try to make a plan and discuss the options with the patient.
I'm extremely proud of the results that I got from the procedures I've had done with Dr. Shatkin. Again, it's absolutely incredible that such a minimal thing can make such an impact. I'm a lot more confident walking around. I used to try to buy products to minimize, I started to have some fine lines in this area, some lines in my forehead. After getting the Botox treatments in my forehead, fine lines are diminished. I just feel rejuvenated.
Look, after 10 or 12 years in professional hockey, I can tell you my face was a mess at that point from scars and lacerations, and over the years I had teeth knocked out. Some were half out, never went back in right again. They were crooked, they were dead, bad stitching jobs and all the rest of it. And I got into the TV industry as a broadcaster with the Buffalo Sabres. And I wanted to look my best. So I had an appointment with Dr. Shatkin. We sat down, talked about it, and it was a very simple procedure. It was a couple injections, and all those things that were bothering me cosmetically were gone just like that. But even better was, that wasn't the end of it. Mini dental implants. They're about this tall. They're not great big things they put in. They're just small little mini implants. There is also this holistic approach that he brought into this whole game. And that is probably what I enjoyed as much as anything. I'm a better person for it. My weight's down. I feel better about myself. My head's in a better place. That appointment was a game changer for me.
The Aesthetic Associates Center houses one of the top ambulatory surgery centers in Western New York. Award-winning plastic surgeon Dr. Sam Shatkin Jr. and his team of healthcare professionals utilizes state-of-the-art technologies and holistic techniques to help you on your way to feeling better, looking better, and becoming a better you. From minor treatments, from fillers, peels, laser treatments, facials, Botox, hair removal, collagen induction, nutritional counseling, weight management, to more extensive rejuvenation surgeries, Dr. Sam Shatkin Jr. is ready to offer you a variety of procedures to help you become a more youthful you.
The one thing that makes the Aesthetic Associates Center of Plastic Surgery different from other centers is not only do we provide a caring environment, but we also have a very holistic approach to our patients. We care about their overall welfare and their overall health. If a patient's not ready for surgery, we help them with nutritional counseling, try to get them healthier. We speak to their physicians as needed. And then once we've determined that they're ready for an operation, we do provide the ambulatory surgery center right here on premises. So it's really a one-stop shop to help them with all their plastic surgery needs. The skincare product lines that the Aesthetic Associate has have been advanced in recent years. We've got product line that are custom blended for our own patients that I even put my name on. That's how important they are for me. I want to make sure that they're getting the different kinds of products that are going to make a change in their appearance and make them feel really good about what they're doing. We've got lines that include for anti-aging. We have lines that are included for acne patients because we see that as a larger area of our population now, both adult and teenagers. And we have a product line for maintenance. The sunscreen line, which will help prevent some of the sun damage and the change that people see during their lifetime. We've got a whole array of different products, and I think the patients that have used our products are very pleased with the results.
My name is Lydia Dominic, and I've heard about the Aesthetic Associates Center from anyone that has had a great experience in dental or plastic surgery in Buffalo or in the surrounding area. So many people that I know that have had work done would never let me go anywhere else, bottom line. The customer service here is astonishing. Everyone knows why you're here, what needs to be done, and they get you in and out fast. Great bedside manner. They're incredibly hospitable, and you could never hope to have nicer people next to you when you're having something done that you're scared about. With the Aesthetic Associates Center, whether you're working with Dr. Todd or Dr. Sam Shatkin in plastic surgery or in dentistry, they make it very comfortable, whatever procedure you're having. It's painless, it's easy. You leave in either great shape or with a big smile on your face, usually both.
Whether it's a dental procedure, cosmetic surgery, I highly recommend you use Aesthetics Associates Center, and you'll leave with a smile on your face.
The Aesthetic Associates Center, nationally recognized innovators in the fields of cosmetic dentistry and plastic surgery, have been bringing world-class healthcare services to Western New York patients for decades. Combining the latest treatments and cutting-edge technology with their seasoned expertise, Drs. Todd and Sam Shatkin are your guides to feeling better, looking better, and becoming a better you. Drs. Todd and Sam Shatkin, the Aesthetic Associates Center. Award-winning skill, world-class reputation, wonderful results. 2500 Kensington Avenue, Buffalo, New York, 14226. www.greatlook.com. Unsurpassed service for an unsurpassed look.
Well, we're very fortunate to have had the opportunity to practice with our father for over 20 years. And now we're continuing to practice together, and hopefully for many, many years to come.
Our father inspired us to work hard. He had a work ethic that prompted him to achieve a lot in his lifetime, and the two of us are trying to accomplish what he was able to accomplish by being both a dentist and a plastic surgeon.